again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares.
I will be doing my night routine. I'm showing you guys that I just take off my wig to give my head some air. I'm going over to the computer to go check on my YouTube stuff. So now I'm on the computer. I'm signing in to my YouTube account, checking my emails, making sure that everything's alright. So go subscribe. Yes, go subscribe to my channel. Go tell people. So I'm just checking my emails, making sure that everything's alright. Look at that double chin though. So as you see, I'm just checking my YouTube channel. Go subscribe if you want. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm just checking to see if everything's okay. Just trying to scroll down because I'm new to this laptop. And go check out my recent video, which is a travel vlog. So go check that out. So now I'm about to take a shower, and there we go. So I do brush my teeth in the bathroom. I hate seeing people brush their teeth, so I'm not gonna brush my teeth in front of you guys. So I do brush my teeth in the bathroom while I'm bathing. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a shower. When I'm done, I'll get back to you guys. So now I'm just getting out of the bathroom. Hello. And I'm just, as I said, I brush my teeth while I'm bathing. So I'm just gonna put on my pajamas now and finish doing what I'm doing. I am going to go downstairs for some water to drink, and then I'll go to bed.